Hey everyone, I just found out something that's really interesting that I never knew before, so I wanted to share it. Apparently, the remote control signal for any television can be seen on a camera, which is weird, because most of you know that it's infrared, which can't be seen by the human eye. And I am pretty sure that most cameras have filters to make sure that no infrared light messes up the picture. But I guess remotes are just so bright, or I don't know, something else. But for some reason, you can see them on video or in pictures if you take it with a digital camera. So I just wanted to show you, and I guarantee you that I have not used After Effects or any video manipulation at all except for the instant replay. So here we go. And as you can see, it's an ordinary Comcast remote. Nothing different about it. But now if I show here, press the button, you can see them blinking on and off. Press a different button, they're blinking. They look like the same frequency because they're really fast, but if you were to slow it down, which I will, you might be able to see that each button blinks at a different frequency, and that's how it determines, what you're trying to do, which button you're pressing. So I just thought that was pretty cool, and as it turns out, they all flash purple, which means I have no idea what that means. I don't know why they flash purple when it's infrared. Something to do with the cameras, I guess. But if you have an explanation for why infrared light can be seen on a digital camera and why it looks purple instead of the red that you would expect, then let me know. But meanwhile, here's a nice instant replay for you.